Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakir dog ying jongpi.
So the impact of that should happen in the next 2 days.
Both this hall and the next hall, which will accommodate around 4 comfortably, sir. This is basically asymmetric, asymptomatic cases, and a separate room for the nurses. So for any paramedics who wants to stay here, sir, so we have a separate. So initially we were thinking separate halls for male and female, but man of the view, there is no separate hall for the females. Right.
Menteri rang bajong ke sorkar jelau Konrad Kongkel sang maha ke arpu hendrio terik bena jemang arajar arpuwei udah le jengok ya ki katto kat ni ki jaka ya ki bala terwa na ke bentaban penlong kum ki corona care center ki badan hapo ke nong ba Shillong ia menta ki dan lai teli ki jaka ki baka sorkar kala idei ban penlong kum ki corona care center kata kawei ha basic training center ka badan ha malki kabala ban ngiam hado shispa jingthia nang tadi ke main building but ke women's building jong ke industrial training institute ke badan harenja ke balak ban ngiam hadu sapu santeli ki jingthia but sakawai pat kedai ke district commerce and industry center ke badan Nongrim Hills ke balak ban ngiam hadu hendrepau jingthia hagini ki corona care centers on buru ya ki oxygen cylinders but ya ki concentrators nakabentaban sumar ya ki beriu ki bapang COVID-19 hadin bagani ke jempang kelam kalawan linshop teng hagani ke jilla Meghalaya hagani ke kenti.
Cannot be 100%, so it's for everybody. But we tried the same thing with monkey also, sitting in a jar, same thing here. With about 40 to 50,
Yes, sir.
and it is expandable to about 80. I'm guessing.
Yes, sir.
If you can use this space also, it looks like it's expandable to 80.
Yes.
There, it looks like it's going to be somewhere near 50 only, not more than that. I mean, just to we should have enough idea of what we're looking at.
Sure, sir.
So we can plan accordingly.